Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be ripping a 2021 Chronicles football blaster. Just got back from California. I got this in California. Really happy to open something, so let's see what we get out of here. Love the box cutters, man. They always do some nice stuff. Got the box there. I'll pause the video real quick because something happened. Alrighty, sorry about that, guys, but here we go. Let's get it. Just have 6 packs in here, 7 cards per pack. Got nothing in your... Wait, what's this in there? Trying to track us, huh? That's cool, man. Track me all you want. Don't care. Panini. Alrighty. Let's see what we get out of here. First pack. Let's see here. First pack. Josh Allen. Herbert, Dak, Davis Mills, Score Chrome, Patrick Surtain, pink Cordell Patterson, and a pink Jamar Chase. What I like about Chronicles a lot is that you can just pull a lot of things and out of here, all the top rookies every single time. Russell Wilson, Aaron Jones, Antonio Gibson, Devontae Smith, nice. It's an Eagles fan, Kadarius Toney, Kyle Pitts, and Josh Jacobs, pink. Just loving that. Got this at Barnes & Nobles for 25 bucks. Plus tax. Tyreek Hill, DJ Moore, Keenan Allen, and a Chuba Hubbard. Then we got this, I forget what it's called, clear something, Kyle Pitts. Looks amazing. And we got this Dwayne Eskridge and Micah Parsons, pink. Okay, there's a Prism Black in here. I'm going to save that for last. Prism Black in there. Nice T-Law there on the back. Kadarius Toney, Myles Garrett, Matt Judon, Travis Etienne, Jamar Chase, Kadarius Toney, and a T-Law pink Gridiron Kings. Damn, man, this is probably a nice box, man. Pulling all the top rookies. It's amazing, guys. Frick. Open up already, dingus. A.J. Dillon, Terry McLaurin, Patty Mahomes, Dwayne Eskridge, another Davis Mills clear, Debo, and a Michael Carter. Got our Prism Black. Darnell Mooney in the back. Elijah Mitchell. Nice T-Law clear. CeeDee Lamb, Kirk Cousins, Marquise Brown. It's for the Jets, man. Come on. Fuck. I thought that was a Zach Wilson, man. Ay. I mean, it's okay, though. I mean, still a nice box, though. I mean, still, though, nice box. We got a Prism Black. Not a pretty nice box, though, still, nonetheless. We'll take it. Not the Jet we were hoping for, but we'll take it. I mean, alright, man. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.